Hello and welcome to Practical Digital Marketing 7. CRM, SFA, LTV boils down to DB Analytics. So far, we explained what marketing is and how it really works. We studied search engine optimization and examined the rules of the MP and the CP and learned the basic elements of their responsibilities. Last time, we talked about establishing long-term value, LTV, as part of the CP's role. Companies are always looking for long-term business relationships with clients and customers, so it's essential to know which customers have already converted. For example, if the conversion meant buying some kind of health supplement, they may be interested in buying the same supplement again in the future, or they may be interested in a different supplement or something else in the same category. To look at a different example, if the conversion was renting an apartment, it's possible that they will want to rent another apartment in 2 years. So they may also want to hire a cleaning service and buy new furniture and appliances at that time, providing the opportunity to expand our business into related domains. This is LTV. Or in the case of human resources, if the conversion means placing a candidate in a position, there's a chance that they will want to change jobs again in 3 years, or, if the position isn't a good match, they may decide to resign after their 3-month trial period and be back on the market for a new job. By offering these opportunities, we increase LTV. If the conversion is buying a gift for Mother's Day, this may be the customer's custom. So LTV might mean suggesting gifts for other holidays like Christmas or Valentine's Day. If the conversion is a haircut, the user might be interested in shampoo, conditioner, or other hair products in the future. LTV is one reason it's important to keep quality data on conversions, including purchases. Effective marketers analyze user data and sort it according to categories, including where they live, their age, gender, occupation, and so on. When you create your registration forms, you can control what data you have available to analyze. By calling conversions directly, you can also get data for analysis. However you gather data, the goal is to create an effective database. A good database also includes information about users who register but never converted, users who registered and were called but never responded to the call, registered users who got angry when called, and registered users who expressed interest when called but aren't interested in buying just now. Many marketers correctly believe that customer relationship management, CRM, is critical. It's important from the moment users register with your site, but in order to ensure LTV, it's most important to constantly update the customer's data. As touchpoints increase, there are ever better options than email. It's more effective to connect with users on social networks like Line, for example. We can also monitor the kind of information we gather that way. For example, we can track age, gender, issues or complaints, products and services they're interested in, if they've registered for products or services in the past, and so on. Again, the objective is to manage customer information in order to grow your business. If you can manage customer relations on your own using spreadsheets or some other tool, you won't need a third-party service. But if you do decide to use a service, there are many good options that can help you easily manage customer information. Many marketers also correctly believe that Salesforce automation, SFA, is key. SFA is just one activity, but there are many web tools available to support SFA. Sometimes using SFA tools is called Salesforce automation. As long as the objective isn't lost, the distinction isn't so important. Every business segment has its own ratio of rising status. For example, if you manage HR and you attract 100 users in a month, say 40% answer your call. Then 50% of that 40 land an interview. Then 50% of those interviewees successfully secure a job. This is just an example, but this kind of step ratio exists in every business segment. Marketers and sales personnel have to be familiar with these status ratios. In human resources, if you know the ratio and you know your placement fee, and you can calculate the approximate value of each contract, you can estimate the potential monetary impact of changes to your website. Marketers have to know the value and cost of their actions. Many marketers also correctly believe that marketing automation is important. We need to study our customer database to know each customer's situation and status in order to increase our conversions. Automating that process using tools and web services provides a huge advantage. For example, if our contact channels are email and line, after receiving notice of a new registration, an automated email and line message might go out thanking them for registering them, introducing our service, and encouraging them to click to purchase. If the user ignores the message for 3 days, the system might automatically follow up with a message letting them know that they registered 3 days ago but still haven't contracted our service, letting them know that they are eligible for a 30% discount if they act now. If the user ignores the message for 3 days, the system might automatically follow up with a message letting them know that they registered 3 days ago but still haven't contracted our service, and that they're eligible for a 30% discount if they act now. Or in the case of an established supplement company, we know that the supplements will last 3 months. Some percentage of users won't purchase again at the end of that time. We might ask those customers why they didn't purchase again. If they say they still have half of the supplements left, we can suggest that they buy a different product with half as many supplements. Once we know about the issue, we can automate this response based on customer feedback. An automated system can see a potential customer's status and nudge them to the next step using the most appropriate channel, so that sales and customer service can focus on more detailed and nuanced aspects of the customer relationship. Customer relationship management, Salesforce automation, and marketing automation are 3 essential elements of effective marketing. Using marketing tools like ads, SEO, and social media to spread awareness, getting conversions and conversion data, customer relationship management and managing Salesforce automation, and integrating the system with marketing automation theory to maintain long-term value will help you build your B2B2C business. Join us next time when we put theory into practice and build a new business from scratch as real-time proof of the field marketing method.